Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to give Robux to people in Roblox mobile. So first you open your Roblox account, then on the bottom right you will see the button more, you click on that, then you scroll down and you will see the option create, you click on that, you are going to click on the three bars on the left, then you choose creations, and here you will see this page, you are going to click on this one, then you are going to click on the three bars on the left, you scroll down, you will see the option passes. Then you will see this page, you scroll down and you will see the option create a pass, you click on that. Here you need to name your pass, for example test. You can put description if you want, then you click on create pass. After that you will see your pass here, you click on that and you go and click on the three bars, then you go to sales. After that you enable item for sale and here you put the Robux that you want, then you click on save change. After that, all you need is you have connection with your friend that you are willing to offer him Robux. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.